I've been hearing a lot about investing lately, but I don't know where to start. Can you give me some advice? Of course, investing can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's important to understand the basics. What are the basics? First, you need to understand the different type of investment options available, such as stock, bonds, and mutual funds. You also need to research potential investments and consider factors such as risk, return, and diversification. That just sounds complicated. It can be, but it's worth the effort. By investing wisely, you can achieve long-term financial success. What if I don't make a lot of money? You don't need a lot of money to start investing. There are low-cost options such as index funds that allows you to start with as little as 50 or $100. Thanks for the advice. I feel more confident about investing now.